And my wife feels right inside in this Campeo. It's the 540 edition, but it's not the 4x4, it's the standard version with a price of 73,000 euros. Burstner Campeo C540 and standard Dometic 75-liter double-sided fridge. And then from the inside we have an kitchen area that's actually pretty wide on the sitting but cramped on this side with the actual table. And then we have just one cupboard from this side, and we don't have nothing here, as the Italian calls la capelliera, but we have just an open space bigger for your head, and an upper part, yes, the actual pop-up roof tent. And on this side we have the Dometic 2-burner stove with a sink and a nice placement for your coffee machine. Under it we have just two cupboards, pretty small storage unit, and also additional cupboard from this side and 4 additional on that side. As we are looking from this side, the bathroom with the Dometic cassette toilet and a standard layout for the Burstner series. Getting out to the back side of this Campervan, we shall be measuring the actual. It's closed, so it's not the biggest bed on the back, but it's pretty good for a family of 4. That's your Burstner Campeo